all done health and safety exercises. Where are you in health and safety? Have you done a health and safety rep course? There are 3 things in this world that can hurt your kill you. Unsafe acts, unsafe conditions, natural disasters. As we're having this conversation right now, someone in this world is dying because of an unsafe act. Identify the unsafe acts and the unsafe conditions. Smoking in a non-smoking zone is an unsafe act or unsafe condition. Not being trained to do a job properly is an unsafe act or condition. Do a job that you're not properly trained to do, it's an unsafe act. A lighted cigarette, there's a puddle of petrol and I throw it in there. You say it's going to be a fire. It's an ember. It's not a spark and it's not an open flame. It's an ember. People ask you questions and you need to answer it. How are we going to reduce incidents in the workplace that cause injury or affect your health? I'll give you about 5 minutes. I want each team to come up with 5 good ideas.
How do we increase a positive attitude in the workplace when it comes to safety?
By personalizing them, we create awareness. Or that allows us to have a proactive approach. Yeah.
Spokesperson for Team A, give us your 5 points.
You need to support individuals.
Do the observations, identify the hazard.
Lead by example.
If you are injured on the job, first thing you should do is get first aid treatment. Fill out an accident report form. None of the above. Ownership, accountability, responsibility for health and safety. How do you improve that? Designated people. I like it. Training. I like that.
Get workers involved with safety, decision making.
Oh my goodness. I found one good people. Manages to set clear safety expectations. Yeah.
FTS Bootcamp 2015!
It showed the importance of teamwork, working together towards the same goal. You need to rely on your team players in order to achieve that goal.
The importance of teamwork. I come from an occupational health background, and actually being exposed to what we do practically in our daily work, working with the SHE team was quite beneficial to me.
For me personally, I think it was important to have this type of engagement to jog our memories on the basics of health and safety.
As an environmental specialist, I learned more about safety and health, especially the acts and all the procedures underneath those.
I would recommend it further to other groups. I just feel it's a good exercise in order to bring in the activity to bring out the message clearly.
But it's a definite recommendation for other teams to actually consider.
If you lose your basic, everything will collapse. That's the reason why I would recommend.
The material was great. Facilitator was also excellent. He knew his stuff, which is important in a facilitator's role.
I found him quite engaging, approachable, and very tolerant of our mistakes as adults and as a team.
He's very knowledgeable, and I think he was quite engaging and open and friendly. And I think you can see the experience that he built over the years.